Hello YouTube, hello my viewers, welcome to another video. Now I have been testing a lot of Mellif tools and I must say I really do like them. Most of the Mellif tools I have used, I've tested, came out very good. And in this video I have the Mellif Ocillating Multitool 18 volt with battery, with charger, with a blade and a very special feature. I'm going to show you this tool, how it works, so you can decide for yourself if this is something for you. I will put a discount code for 20% off in the description. But first we're gonna take a quick look what's in the box and see how it works. It has a nice case, ABS plastic, metal hinges and a strong handle. A manual in English. See, this is a 4 amp hour battery and they have a very nice capacity indication here on the side, on both sides, and a Makita battery will also fit on this tool. Have a round blade, a small blade, sanding pad, sanding papers, even a more small blade. This is a really small blade, a scraping blade, a very tiny blade, another scraping blade, flat one, and a normal blade. The first thing I want to know is, do regular blades that you can buy in your hardware store, or do they fit? Now I have one here, let's give it a try. And as you can see, a regular blade, just use it on Einhell, DeWalt, any brand, scale, does fit on this machine. And it feels very proper. I don't know if that's normal, but it's very easy that you can remove this one. I don't have that with my other multi-tools. It's easy to change the blade. Now take a look at everything in the box. You have seen the blades, now the machine. Okay, so it holds it open, you pull this back and then you can lock it. So that's nice. There is an LED light on the front side and we're gonna come back on this one, because that's very nice. Other multi-tools do not have this. A rubber hand grip, speed setting. Let me show the information here. Now I've never seen this before. This one has a hand grip, so that's very special, just like an angle grinder. I don't know, this way, yeah. Makes working, I think, a lot easier. It's a little bit bent. And you can attach it on both sides. So that's very nice. Gonna take it off. And then there is also this charger. It's not a fast charger. They also do have fast chargers on their website. Show you the information here. And don't forget, there is a discount code in the description. Let's give it a try, see how it works, if I like it and if you like it. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna install this cutting blade We're gonna cut some wood. Remove this one. Put it on there. Oh, that's handy that you can remove it. Oh yeah, pull this one back. And it's attached. Nice. On off trigger. It's nice that the sun came out. Well, the battery is not completely charged, but I think this will, for the test, it will be enough. I don't know what that's. Oh, that's a filter. I see. Wow! I don't know if you can see the oscillation. That looks very nice, and the sound is very good. It's not vibrating a lot. Just gonna make a cut here, see how it goes. Increase the speed. That's very nice. Just another type of wood. Now let's attach the handle, see how that goes. The cable is moving a little bit. It's not really for this purpose, but I mean the handle. It's more if you're removing carpets or something, or making long cuts. It's nice. You can hold it like this. I really like it. It's a very nice tool. Very proper. I hope you can see it good. It's a very nice tool. It feels better than the Parkside 12 volt I have. I will show it. Maybe you remember this 12 volt Parkside. I will show you the model number here. And I was very happy about this. The oscillation was very good. This is even better, I think. You can see it moving. But let me show you the difference in sound. I hope you can hear that. And now this one. I have to hold it and then on. Well, it does make more noise, but it's very smooth sound. It's okay. I still like this one, but this is also a very good tool. Very nice. It has this kind of cooling vent you can almost see through. Here. It's protected. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it with some sanding pads. And the same is these sizes sanding pads, you can buy them everywhere. I have this piece of wood here and there is some primer on it and I need to sand it down. Grit 240. Also for sanding, this is very nice. Now I think this is a very good tool from Mellif again. Also the other tools, I really like them. There was only one tool in the past I had some issues with the tool, and not the quality of the tool, but it was more like you need a 4 amp hour battery for a good working. That was the belt sander. Very nice tool also, but yeah, it just needs the power of a 4 amp hour battery. But this is very nice. It comes with 7 blades, some sanding papers, a battery, a charger. The handle is also very nice. The locking system to add the blades is very good. Well, I use these tools always on full speed, but it's nice. It has a jog wheel to change the setting. But for the rest, it's up to you what you think about this tool. I think this is just a quality tool, and in the link is the description. With a discount code you get 20% off on these tools, and it comes with the battery, with the charger and the case and the handle and all the blades. So it's a very nice set. Please let me know what you think about this tool and I will always reply to your comments. If you like this video, if you like this tool, please give it a like. Hit the hype button, that's a new function in YouTube. Hype this video please, that will help me a lot. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notifications about new videos, new products. And for now, I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching again.